AudioControl D-6.1200 Matrix DSP Amplifier review. Smarter OEM sound with full control.
You turn up the volume expecting impact, but the bass fades and the vocals feel distant. It sounds fine at first, then strangely flat. That quiet disappointment builds over time. I remember sitting in traffic, replaying the same track, wondering why it felt lifeless. Something was missing. If your factory or aftermarket system feels stuck, you know that feeling, right? Over time, you waste hours tweaking basic EQ settings that never truly fix the problem. The stress adds up. A friend once swapped speakers 3 times, only to admit the clarity still wasn't there. The system had power, just no intelligent control. That's the hidden cost. What you really need isn't louder sound, but smarter signal management and proper tuning flexibility.
This is where the AudioControl D-6.1200 Matrix DSP 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 channel car audio amplifier with AccuBase changes the equation. It combines a 1200 watt Class D multi-channel amplifier with Matrix DSP processing, a 30-band equalizer, selectable crossovers, and OEM integration tools in one chassis. Don't just buy any car audio amplifier. Make sure it has integrated Matrix DSP with AccuBase so you never suffer from factory bass roll-off and muddy tuning again. With 8 speaker-level inputs, balanced RCA inputs, assignable preamp outputs, and input and output RTA, you can route and tune with precision instead of guesswork. One installer told me the first time he used the DM Smart app, he finally saw the frequency dips on screen and just smiled, clear as day. Another driver described hearing tight bass return at highway volume without boominess, just clean impact that felt controlled and deliberate. It's flexible too. Run it as 6, 5, 4, or 3 channels, bridge for serious output, and fine-tune every speaker path independently. There's even a small bonus. Built-in diagnostics and MILC clip detection quietly protect your system while you tune.
Once installed and tuned, the difference isn't subtle. The AudioControl D-6.1200 Matrix DSP 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 channel car audio amplifier with AccuBase creates a smoother workflow for both installers and serious DIY enthusiasts. GTO signal sensing simplifies turn-on with factory radios, while AccuBase restores low frequencies that modern OEM systems quietly reduce. Everything works together. A reviewer described it as one box that replaced my amp and DSP, which meant fewer wires and less clutter under the seat. Another user admitted setup took patience, but once dialed in, the cabin sounded wider and more balanced, like the speakers finally agreed with each other. Vocals sit forward, highs feel crisp without harshness, and bass hits with definition instead of blur. The 30-band graphic EQ and parametric control per output channel let you shape the soundstage precisely for your vehicle's interior. Trucks, SUVs, luxury sedans, each cabin responds differently. The Matrix DSP lets you adapt instead of compromise. Have you ever wondered what your current speakers actually sound like when properly time-aligned and crossed over? With real-time analysis tools and flexible channel configuration, this amplifier makes that discovery possible without adding multiple external processors. That's where it stands apart.
Demand for fully integrated DSP amplifiers keeps growing as more drivers want OEM retention without sacrificing high-fidelity sound. The AudioControl D-6.1200 Matrix DSP 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 channel car audio amplifier with AccuBase continues to earn loyal feedback from installers and enthusiasts who value control, power, and reliability in one chassis. It's not a beginner toy. It's a serious upgrade path. If you're ready to move from good enough to intentionally tuned performance, check the link below and see if this multi-channel DSP amplifier fits your build.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.